here. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite sugar-free hot chocolate. If you go to Starbucks and you get a tall hot chocolate, you're getting over 27 grams of sugar. And according to the American Heart Association, women should have no more than 24 grams of added sugar in a day. So you're already wrecking your progress with that one hot chocolate, let alone whatever else you're eating in a day. So let's get to it. It's really simple. I like using cacao powder, similar to cocoa powder, less processed for more antioxidants and more fiber. You can make it as chocolatey as you want. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of liquid. So I have a half cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk and then 1 cup of regular milk. And in that, I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of cacao powder. And then the only other ingredient is going to be a couple squirts of this liquid stevia. So the first step is to heat our milk up. Okay, our milk's done, so let's take that out. Now, I like my hot chocolate really hot, so once in a while I will heat it up again after I put it in the blender. Okay. So we're going to dump our milk in. We're going to dump our cocoa powder in, or cacao powder. You can use cocoa powder too. Now you don't want to do this just with a fork or a whisk or a spoon. You do want to do it in the blender, otherwise you're going to get chunks of the powder and it's not going to be as tasty. And then a couple squirts of this liquid stevia. I do like my hot chocolate pretty sweet, so I use a couple. You can make it as sweet as you want. Leave a little vent here when you are mixing something hot in your blender. So that's all it is. I'm gonna grab my mug and give this a taste. Okay, I have my mug. This one's very fitting. It says, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, I am my mother after all." So that is true. Now, I love adding a couple things to my hot chocolate. My very favorite is Bailey's Irish Cream, which I know has sugar, but at least less sugar than regular hot chocolate and Bailey's, or some peppermint schnapps, or some whipped cream on top. But we're keeping it simple today. I just wanted to give you this easy recipe. If you like it, be sure that you give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and comment below so I know if you want me to make more recipe videos. Thanks again. It's really good.